Guys, so I received this gift today from our patient. So, belated na daw to. Late Christmas gift. So, buksan natin kung ano naman ito. Sinilip ko na siya kanina pero hindi ko pa siya nabuksan. Teka, kuha na ako scissors. Wait lang. So, let's see what's inside. Aray! Oh no. So, this is wow. Skin Appeal Professional Cola Trim Berry Juice Beauty Booster. Oh, collagen chuchu. And then this ito is berry flavor, and this one is cola fiber tropical juice naman ito for healthy gut and glowing skin. Ay sana all. So mag-blow pala ako nito. So, meron daw siyang 10 sachet sa isang pack. Ayan. So, sabi niya masarap daw. And we'll try it later. Tingnan natin kung ang effect nito. So, ito, tropical flavor yata to. And this one is the berry. So, let's try later kung ang lasa nito. Ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.